Okay, this is Windows 8 kind of looks like it's designed a little bit for tablet PCs. This is the developer's whatever previous download, so you can just look at it. They claim that it might crash on you and it might like melt down all your data, so be warned when you install it and use it. As you can see, the start menu has been replaced with just a little button that switches back and forth. Then you can switch around, weather. This suspiciously looks like a tablet type operating system. You come over here to desktop, and it's just your basic Windows Vista /7 desktop. Has the same right click menus. You go down to personalize, and then you come down to display, and wait a second. Then you can change your screensaver, your sounds, your background, and then over here, desktop icons, which I heavily advise putting all your putting my computer and network and control panel on the desktop, since there's no longer a start button to sit there and access it from. Come down here to folder, and you open it up, and then you come over here and then you right click on computer, and then you can come down to some of the manage and some of the advanced properties. This is my old crappy computer, so it's Windows Experience is 3.1, but it runs Windows 8 pretty good. And then you can come over here to device manager, remote settings, advanced system settings, where you would come down here to your environmental variables, and you would move all the crap off your C drive if you were running a solid state. I'm assuming Windows 8 is going to be have solid state support built into it. And I installed the new beta version of Firefox Aurora. You come down here, turn on your menus, and I synced it up with my or you can sync it up with your whatchamacallit, with your combined Firefox online encrypted stuff if you choose to set it up that way. Come down here to sync, set up Firefox sync. I have an account, and then you come down here, come over to my main desktop, and it's connected. Come over to the old crappy desktop. Options, manage account, sync my blah blah blah. Okay. And there we go. All my bookmarks from my other computers into here. And then the software that you do install will come up over here. Okay. settings, preferences. Of course, it has a nice little notification sign. You saw that, right? Preference, notifications. Right click on the icon and you can unpin it, or you can come over here to open file location, run as administrator, pin to taskbar. You can unpin it. So this is kind of like a gigantic, oh look at all my favorite crap, I just click on it, opens it right up. Come up here. Your news, you can come down here and go back to start, right click. And a lot of these things I haven't had a chance to really play with. Windows 8 looks like it might be kind of fun to play with, but getting at all this stuff is just a big pain in the butt. It looks more Mac OS-ish. It's more user-proof. Probably require a lot less maintenance for the technicians, but for the power user, for the people that like to tweak Windows a lot, they might not like it. Come over here, of course the registry is the exact same. Microsoft, Windows, current version, all of this stuff's the same. So if you really had to, you could come in here and you could hand jam Windows the way you want. I don't know, just got all the computers in the house run up to Windows 7 Ultimate or Professional, so my wife saw me playing with this and she's like, another Windows upgrade? It's really different, I hate it. It is really different. I don't know if it's gonna be a big seller or not. Windows might diverge down two different paths of tablet / Mac OSs, and then the business and the professional OS, because this just doesn't look like something you'd see up on every screen at a Fortune 500 company. So if you want, go online and download the beta version. It's or Windows Developer Preview evaluation copy. I'm assuming this thing's gonna commit Harry Carey at some predestined date. On February 29th, Microsoft's gonna release Windows 8 beta for everyone to download. I think I found this on a link from a board of a link from a board of a link from a board, so I don't remember exactly where I got it from. It won't install in VMware, so you have to crunch the ISO to a disk and then slap it in a box and format and reload. But for my media center computer in my living room, and probably the computer that I'm going to put in my son's room, I'll probably slap this on it because it's big colorful icons. Ooh, look, yeah. This does look more like a touch interface jobby than previous versions of Windows. Anyways, that's that's it. Windows 8 Windows Developer Preview 8 blog evaluation complete.